Sortex machine is an advanced technology machine that sorts products based on their color, size, and other properties. It is used extensively in food industry, agriculture, and other sectors. The efficiency and accuracy of this machine largely depend on its screen setting. What is screen setting? Screen setting means setting various parameters on the screen of the machine so that it can identify and separate products correctly. These parameters include color range. It determines which color products the machine is to pick and which color products to skip. Size range. It determines which size products the machine is to pick and which size products to skip. Shape range. It determines which shape products the machine is to pick and which shape products to skip. Defect recognition. It determines which type of defects the machine is to recognize and which defective products to separate. Why is screen setting important? Product quality. Correct screen setting improves product quality as defective and unwanted products are removed. Productivity. Correct screen setting increases machine productivity as the machine makes fewer mistakes. Cost savings. Correct screen setting leads to cost savings as fewer products are spoiled and fewer workers are required. How is screen setting done? The following steps are followed for screen setting. Preparing the machine. Clean the machine and ensure that all parts are working properly. Taking sample products. Take a sample of the products you want to sort. Setting parameters on the screen. Set the parameters of color range, size range, shape range, and defect detection on the screen based on the sample. Testing the machine. Run the machine and ensure that it is sorting the products correctly. Correcting settings. Correct the settings if necessary. Tools required for screen setting. About Sortex machine. A Sortex machine is a machine that separates different types of products, especially food items, based on their quality, size, color, and other characteristics. It is used to clean and grade grains, pulses, seeds, nuts, coffee beans, and many other products. How does the Sortex machine work? Analysis of images. The machine takes pictures of the products and analyzes them with a computer. Identification of defects. This analysis identifies any defects present in the products, such as stains, broken pieces, or impurities. Classification. Then, the machine separates these defective products from the good ones. Advantages of Sortex machine. High product quality. This machine improves the quality of the products. Efficiency. It is much faster and more efficient than manual sorting. Accuracy. This machine sorts the products very accurately without human error. Uses of Sortex machine. Sortex machines are used in various industries, including food industry, to clean and grade grains, pulses, seeds, nuts, coffee beans, etc. Agricultural industry, to clean and grade seeds. Plastic industry, to separate plastic particles based on color and size. Types of Sortex machine. There are different types of Sortex machines, depending on the type of product and the precision required. Some of the common types are color Sortex machine. This machine separates products based on their color. Size Sortex machine. This machine separates products based on their size. Defect Sortex machine. This machine identifies and separates any defects present in the products. Do you want to know more about Sortex machines?